Recently, there was a father who brought his child to me. The father was complaining that how much ever he gives the best, the child is still not being able to live his complete potential. The father was a kind of a perfectionist who was looking for that perfection in the child also. I spoke to the child and honestly, I didn't feel that there was anything wrong with the child. But as much as the father was talking to me, somehow I sensed something within him and I kind of convinced him for a deeper discussion. And when we went into a deep dive, what we realized was that the father had an inherent fear of rejection and of criticism. Because while growing up as a child, he was rejected if he was not perfect. He was punished if he was not doing things to his best. So that sense of rejection, he didn't want it to be passed on to the child. So he's been overly protective and overly pushing the child, which is now actually damaging the child. And when this came to the surface, the father kind of broke down and it took him to a point where he realized where it was coming from, the fear of criticism. As much as he became aware of it, I think now he's making a conscious effort and I see that the relationship between the child and the father is also so beautiful. So it's really, really important for us to go deeper into our own emotions and figure out, what is that which is actually giving a direction to what we are behaving today. Is it now or is it a deep-rooted issue? It is important to heal.